Welcome to FIXtastic Solutions, the #1 channel to your solution.
Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can hard reset Galaxy A8, A8 Plus and other similar models. As you can see, I have forgotten the password of this phone and it's locked by a pattern lock. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily hard reset the Galaxy A8 without using your PC or anything. So let's begin. So here you can see when I try to power off the phone, it won't power off. So what you have to do is hold the power button and restart the device. Okay, when you restart, hold the volume up and power key. As you can see, now we are entering the recovery mode. Press power and volume up key when you see the no command screen. Okay, so now we are in recovery mode. Now use the volume keys to scroll. Go to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Select with the power button. Wipe cache partition. And now just reboot the device. Okay, so now as you can see, the pattern lock is removed. Now you just have to set up your device and enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching this video tutorial today. If this video helped you, please can you like and subscribe. There's still more contents to come. Bye for now.